Hey boys and girls, this is day number 9 in our fall math box packet. Again, we're going to keep working on place value and we're going to fill in some missing numbers today. I like this one because it's kind of like a puzzle and I love puzzles. So when I look at this, sometimes we look at what needs to be changed. Sometimes we need to look at what's the same. We kind of talked about that in class a little bit the other day. So I'm going to just start on this first line right here, and I see there's 5,022, 5,032, and 5,082. So it looks like there's a 50 in the front of each of these numbers, right? So let's go over and let's cross out each of these 50s. Thank you. That was Mrs. Matthews bringing in a fun math game for us to work on tomorrow and Friday. Okay? Don't give it away, but we have a fun math game. So, here we go. I look at it now and I just see the numbers 22, 32, up to 82. 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. So, I'm going to write that in on this half. And I can take these off. And you'll notice that it's not right, is it? No, it's not. We need to add the 5,000 and the 0 yet, right? And you may do it a different way, right? Hey, that's fine. However you're doing it, keep doing it. I think you're going to be getting them right. Now let's look at this next one. I see 5,032, 4,932, 4,832. Wait a minute. 32, 32, 32. Now, I just see 50, 49, 48, 47, and 46, right? I'm going to put my comma in there because when I pop these off, boop, boop, I can have my 32 in at the end. So let's look at the next one. 4,632, 4,642, 4,652, blah, 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 blah. So, what are you going to cover up here? Yep. You're going to cover up the 4,000 and the 600. Very good. Now, didn't we just do this? Wait a minute. 32, 42, 52. Check that out. It is the same thing pretty much that we did. So I'm going to write a 62 over here, a 72 over here. Now, do I write those numbers in? The 50 in front this time? Correct. We do not do that. We will be writing in 4,600 though. Like that, right? Yeah. Okay, let's look at this one going down. There's only 2 numbers. Let's cover up everything that's the same. For something 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, look, all of these numbers in this row also start with the number 8. Yeah. So let's uncover these. And let's finish. 5,642, 7,642, 8,642, 9,642. All right. Let's check this out. Next row, right here. I see 8,600, 8,600, 8,600. Let's cover those up. You guys are getting good at this. All right, 62 something, 42, 32. Oh, yeah. That means this has to be a 52, right? 62, 52, 42, 32, and this would be a 22. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bingo. So then we also need to finish by adding in our 8,600, 8,600, 8,600, 8,622. Oh, here we go. We got the big row of them now. Look out. We're going all the way down here. That's a lot. Woo! This is going to be really hard, right? 4,682, 4,600. It looks like we can cover up the 4,000 and the 600. Okay, so let's check this out. What do you think? Now it looks like it was 82, 83. Would it be 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91? It fits. Oh, yeah. That was some excellent problem solving. Way to go. And this is counting by ones, basically. This one was, right? So let's take those off. And it looks like we just have a couple more to go here. We can feel free to go ahead and add that 4,600 into each of these numbers. So sometimes it's really not looking at the whole number, is it? You know, so I kind of think of it, let's make it a little easier on ourselves. And let's look at what we know and let's look at what we don't know and try to solve it that way. We have two more. Hold on here. Just a second. No way. Are you for real? Okay. Here's 4,690 and it's 1, 2 jumps away. 1, 2 jumps away is 4,690. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the same numbers, aren't they? You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. 4,691. 4,690. 4,689. 4,688. 4,687. 4,686. That was amazing. All right. Let's see here. Oh, geez. I'm looking at all 6s in this column, and I'm looking at all 8s in the 10s column. Right now, I'm even looking at all 4s in the thousands, but let's cover up the 86s on this one. Now, what does it look like? Yeah, 46, 45. What goes here? 44, 43, and 42. Get rid of my little sticky tabs. And I could go ahead and add in our 86. All right, boys and girls, awesome job on that one. I had fun doing it. I hope you had fun doing it. All right, so check it out. Rewind it if you need to. Do what you have to do. And we'll see you later.